students, welcome to the Mathwala mess. Today we will start the new exercise which is exercise 1.2. Let's move to the first question. So the first question, 30 numbers are listed. From the list of numbers, write down all of those that are integers, rational numbers, irrational, square and cube. Okay, so we will first do integers. So we know that integers are, what are integers? Integers are from minus infinite to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 2 infinite. So those numbers are integers. So from the given numbers, from these numbers, we have to find that which numbers are integers. So first is 1 by 6. This is not integer. Under root 25. So under root 25 we can write it as 5. Okay. So it is integer and 33%, which is 33% on 100. So this is not integer and 4 is and is not integer. Under root 13 is not integer and 18 upon 2 is 9. This is integer and this is not integer and this is integer 1000. So our answer is first is under root 25, second one is 64, third one is 18 by 2 and fourth one is 1000. So these are integers numbers. Now second one is rational numbers. So rationals, what are rational numbers? Rational numbers are if a number can be denoted as a upon b in this form and where a and b are integers and b should not be 0. Okay, so a and b are integers and b should not be 0. So we have to find first is 7 by 6. 7 by 6. 7 by 6. We can write in because 7 is integer, 6 is integer, and 6 is not equal to 0. So the first number is 7 by 6. Second one is 33%. 33%. This is 33 upon 100. So 33 is integer. 100 is also integer. So we can write 33 of 33. Sorry, 33%. And next one is 6 by 7. Okay, 6 by 7. And next one is and we can also write that the number which are integers, these numbers are also rationals. Okay, so we can also include these numbers, these 4, because we can write like under root 25 equal to 5, which is 5 upon 1. So the rest integers number are also rational number. Okay, and so The answer is we can also include under root 25 and 64 and 0.4 because 0.4 is 0.4 is 4 by 10. This is also rational and 18 by 2 and 1000. Okay, these are rational numbers. Next one, irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are which are definition of irrational which are not rationals. Okay, it means we cannot denote this number in A upon B form. Okay, we cannot write this number in A upon B form. Okay, so the numbers which are irrational, we have to remove the rational number and we will get the irrational numbers. Okay, so you know that this is rational, this is also rational, this is rational, and this is also rational. So pi is irrational, and under root 13 it is also irrational because we cannot write in A upon B form, and pi by 2 is also irrational, and under root 2 upon 2 this is also irrational, under root 15 upon 5 root 15 upon 5. Okay, this is also irrational number. Next one is square number. So square number is 64, which is 8 square. 64 is 8 square. That's why we will include 64 and 18 by 2. This one 18 by 2. We know that 18 by 2 is 9. 9 is 3 square. Okay, so this one is also number. Now move to next one, cube numbers. Cube number is 64 again because 64 we can write 4 cube, which is 4 into 4 into 4, and 1000 is 10 cube. Okay, 10 into 10 into 10. So this is our answer. One. Now move to second one. Use a calculator to find a square number that is greater than 100. A square number that is greater than 100. We know that 100 is 10 square. So the next one is 11 square. 11 square is 121. So the answer is 121. A cube number that is greater than 50. Cube number is greater than 50. You know that 3 is 27, 64. Okay, so which one is greater than 50? The answer is 64. Rational number is greater than 5.4 but less than 5.5. A rational number is greater than 5.4. The number should be between 5.4 and 5.5. So you can write 5.5 because this is between and we can also write 5.45 equal to 0.45. Okay, if we move this one, so this is this form is a rational number because 545 is integer and 100 is also integer. Okay, so this one is a rational number. Improper fraction that is greater than 3 to 1 by 4 but less than 3 to 3 upon 4. Okay. 3 1 by 4. What is this number? So how can we write this number? 4 multiplied by 3 plus 1. So 12 plus 1 13 upon 4. And this one is 3 and 4 is 12 plus 3 15 by 4. So the number should be in between these two numbers, 13 by 4 and 15 by 4. So the number is 14 by 4 because the denominator is same 4 and the numerator are different. So first is 13, second is 15. So in these two numbers 14 is only and 14 by 4 is 7 by 2. So the answer is 7 by 2. Next one. An irrational number that is greater than 6 but less than 6 and a half. So irrational numbers we can, like for example we can give many numbers. Okay, so I am writing like under root 40 because under root 36 equal to 6 and under root 49 equal to 7. Okay, and 6 and a half is 6.5. So this number is between 6 and 7. So we can write under root 40. Okay, we can give many examples like if I can write 2 by or 9 minus root 7. Okay, 9 minus root. So, okay, many numbers are there. We have to only give one example. Okay, so under root 40. Now going to third question. Express each of the following rational numbers in the form a upon b where a and b are integers. So this is the definition of rational number a upon b and where a and b are integers. Point 0.5 we can write 0.5 equal to 5 upon 10 which is 1 by 2. So this is our rational number. 70% is 70 by 100 which is 7 by 10. 17 is 7 upon, and this one is, sorry for this one is 2 and 1 by 3. So what is this? 2 3 2 is 6 plus 1 7 by 3. Okay, this is this number. Now moving to fourth question. So the fourth question is, find the lowest multiple of 8 and 10. We know that the lowest common multiple, which is LCM. Okay. How to find the LCM of any number? First, we know that 8, the multiple of 8 are 8, 16, 24 and 32, 40, 48 this type, and multiple of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 this type. So the lowest common multiple, which common means which is included in both the numbers. Okay, so 8 and 10, this is not common. 16, 20 is not common. So we will find that 40, this one. This is the lowest common multiple. Okay, so the LCM for 8 and 10, LCM of 8 and 10 is 40, because this is the lowest common multiple. Next one is 15 and 20. 50, 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, and 20, multiple of 20 are 26. So see that 60, this is the lowest common multiple. So the LCM of 15 and 26, and the remaining you will do by yourself. This for this one, 3 and 8 is 24. Okay, because you have to find the multiple of 2, 3 and 4 and check the least one, the least common multiple. Okay, the next one question, find the highest common factor of 14 and 16. Okay, common factor, this is HCF. What is common factor? So the first is 14 and second 16. What are factor of 14? 1, 2 and 7. Okay, these are the all factor, and 16, 1, 2, 4, 8, and we can also write 14 and 16. Okay, so what is the common factor and which will be highest? Okay, so 1 is common but it is not highest. 2 is greater than 1 and 2 is also common in both the number. So 2 is, check again. Next one, 7 is not common, 14 is not common, and 4, 8 and 16 is also not common. So the highest common factor is 2. Okay, so the HCF of 14 and 16 is 2. Next one, HF of 32, HCF of 32 and 48. So what is the method? 32 equal to 1, 2, 4, and we can also write 8 is also common factor, 16 is also common factor, and 32 and 48 is 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, and 48. So these are the common factor of 32 and 48. So which one is highest? We have to check 1, 2, 4, and we have to check 8. 8 is also there. After that 16. 16 is also there. 32. 32 is not this. Okay. So we can see that 16 is common in both the numbers, and this is the highest factor. So that's of 32 and 48 is 16. This is how you will do the next question. You do by yourself this one, and I will do this one. Okay. HCF of 40, 100, and 180. 40 is 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, and 40. These are the common factors. This is how 100, 1, 10, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25. Okay, this is how. And 180. 1, 2, 3, 5, 9. This. So we have to find the common. Okay, we know that 14 is the minimum, the least number in both in this number. 14 is least. So the highest common factor should be from should not greater than 40. Okay, because 40 is the least number in these numbers. So the highest common factor is from this one only. Okay, so we can see that 20 and 40. 40 is not multiple of 100. Okay, so remove 40. Next one is 20. So 20 is multiple of 100, and 20 is also a factor of 180. Okay, because if we multiply by 20, then we will find 9. This means 20 is a factor of all these numbers and it is highest. So the LCM of 40 and 180 is 20. Okay, this is our answer. Now moving to next one. Write down the value of under root 49. What is under root 49? You know the 7. Under root 9. Under root 9 is 3. And under root 4 is 2. So under root 9 plus under root 4, it is 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, this is the answer. So we can write only 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. This is 9 minus 1. You get 4 is 5 is 16 plus 25. 3 is 9 and 2 is 8. 8 into so if you root 5 minus 2 and this is how you do this yourself. Cube root of 125. Cube root of 125. We can write 125 equal to 5. So if we take cube root, that is 5. So this is 5 plus 64. 64 we can write 4. It is 3 cube. We can write and 8 is 2 cube. So we can write 2. What is this? 4, 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3 to 14. This is also. And you do by yourself. And you can write the answer you do by yourself. If you have any doubt, then please ask in comment section. So I will include these questions in the next video. Okay. So please do by yourself. And the sum of all the prime numbers that are less than 20. So prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? Prime numbers. Definition of prime numbers. Okay. So the prime number is the number which only has factors of 1 and the self. Okay. Prime numbers are the numbers which have numbers that have exactly 2 factors, which is 1 and the number itself. Okay. So we can write like 1. So first of all, 1 is not prime number. Okay. Because 1 is the factor of all the numbers. So we will not include 1. Okay. So if we check 2 has factors 1 and 2. Okay. So this is prime number. 3. This is also have factors 1 and 3. So this is prime number. 4. 4 has the factors 1, 2 and 4. And from the definition we have to check only 2 factors because but 4 has 3 factors. So 4 is not prime number. Okay, this is 5, 1 and 5, 6. 6 is 1, 2 and 3 and 6. Which has 4 factors. So it is also not prime numbers. So what are the prime numbers? So the prime numbers one prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 15, 16, 17 and 19. Okay. 23 till infinite. Okay, these are the prime numbers. Now we have to find the sum of all the prime numbers that are less than 20. So the prime prime numbers that are less than 20. It means these numbers. So we have 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 1 plus 10 plus 7. Okay. So the answer is we have to calculate. This is 77. Now moving to the next one. Question. Find the sum of all the squares numbers which are less than 101, 101. So what are the numbers? We know that 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square, and 10 square. Because 10 square is 100, 11 square is 121. So this one is not included because we have to find only less than 101, less than 101. So we have to only find the sum of these numbers. So what is the sum? 1 plus 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, plus 36 plus 49 plus 64 plus 81 plus 100. So if we do the sum, then we will get 385. Okay. So the sum of all the numbers is 385. This is our correct answer. Okay. These are the numbers. This is our. Write each of the following as a natural number. So we have to write this number as a natural number. Okay. So first one is 2 square into 5 into 7. What is 2 square? 4 into 5 into 7. And we multiply 4 into 5, 20 into 7, which is 140. So this is natural number. Okay, so this is our answer, 140. 5 square is 25 into 11. So this is 2 and 2 cube. 2 cube is 2 and 3 cube, 3 square is 23. And if we multiply, it is into 9, which is 72. And you do this by yourself. The answer is 4. Now next one. Next question. Express each of the following numbers as the product of its prime factors. Okay. So first one, 30. Okay. How to write 30? We have to break it in prime factors. So we know that 30 is 2 and 15. Okay. So 2 is prime number, but 15 is not prime number. So now changing 15 in prime number. 15 is 3 into 5. Okay. So this is prime number, this is prime number, and this is prime number. And we cannot divide after that because 3 is the least and 5 is the least prime number. So we cannot further divide. So the answer is for 30, it is 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, this is the product of prime numbers. 433, it is 3 into 11. 420, 420, we can write 20 in 4 into 5. What is 4? 2 into 2, and 5 is 5. So 2 into 5. Okay. And 120, 2 is 2 into 30. Now 30 is 2 into 15, and 15 is 5. 2 2 into 3. This is our parameter, and we already and 2 cube into 3 into 5. Okay, so this is how you can do this question by yourself. This one 495. 495. Okay, we can divide by 5, so we will get 5 if we divide, and 9, and 9 and 9, 99. Okay, now further divide 9 into 11, and 9 is 3 into 3, and 11 is prime, 5 is prime, 3 is prime, and 3 is prime. So the answer is 3 into 3 into 5 into 11. 3 square into 5 into 11. And 294, we can write 2 into 3 into 7 into 7, which is 2 into 3 into 7 square. Okay, this to do by 1183. This is 1183 is 7 into 30, which is 13 square. This is okay to remove. Okay, you do the calculation by yourself, and you will understand how these are the prime numbers and how we will get. So do by yourself. Okay, do the calculation and you will get the answer. So the next one is use your answer to part A to find the highest common factor of 20 and 120. So we have to use HCF. We have to find HCF of 20 and 120, and using part A, it means 20 and 120 is this is 20, this is 120. So what is 20? We write that 2 square into 5, and what is 120? 120 is 2 cube, 2 cube into 3 into 5, 2 cube into 3 into 5. Okay, so now we will find the highest common factor. This is 2 into 2 into 5. This is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So get the common things. What is the common numbers. 2 into 2, 2 into it is common. 5 is common. So 5 is common. So now we have to use this normally. 2 into 2 into 5. This is our HCF. What is this? Is the highest common factor. And 120 and we know that 120 no 50 is 150. Sorry, 250. So the 250 is to do this with yourself. So I can write 250 as 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, this is 250. And what is 120? 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. I will write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now checking these two numbers for the common factor. 2 is common, 5 is common. Okay, okay. And 5 into 5, this is not common, and this is also not common. So our answer is only 2 into 5, because 2 into 5 is there and 2 into 5 is there. So the answer is 10. This is the shape of ours. Okay, and next one, do this by yourself. You understand how we find the numbers. Now fourth one, 3 and 4 you do by yourself. Fifth one I will do 294 and 5 to 9. What is 294? 2 into 3 into 7 into 7. What is 5 to 9? It is 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Okay, now check what is common. 2 is common, 3 is also common, 7 into 7, this is also common. So our answer is 2 into 3 into 7 into 7, and you will get 4. 2 into 3 into 7 into 7, it is 294. So let's check this 294. 294. Moving to next last question. Use calculator to find the value of under root 44.89. So we can directly do the calculation by calculators. Okay. So under root 44.89, it is 6.7. It is 13. This one is 3604. 3604. And this one is 1.5. Okay. In this question, we have to use the calculator and find the value. Okay, then. So this is it. Thank you for watching video, and please let me know if you have any doubt from the previous class and from this class, and please like, share and subscribe the video, and thanks again for watching. See you tomorrow.